Today I'm going to be preparing fried rice. This has been requested by my darling niece Nikita. Fried rice is great for parties as you can make loads of it with minimum fuss. The ingredients I'm using for the fried rice are 3 cups of golden asli basmati rice, 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric, some people call it haldi, 4 medium-sized onions, 2 cups of olive oil, 1 heaped teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, 1 hot pepper. Now the pepper's optional, you don't have to use it. My Naija blood loves pepper. 2 stock pot, 2 Knorr vegetable stock pots, 2 Knorr vegetable cubes, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 500 grams of mixed veg, and 250 grams of sweet mixed peppers. The first thing to do is to cook the rice. Now I use a rice cooker and have done for many years, but you can cook rice whichever way you choose or whichever way you're comfortable with. I'm going to use 3 cups of asli golden basmati rice. This is my favorite rice, but you can use your favorite rice too. Now, how my rice cooker works is 3 cups of rice. I'm going to use 3 cups of water, but before I do all that, I'm going to wash the rice first. The rice has now been washed. I've added 3 cups of water using the same cup that was used to measure the rice, 3 cups of water. I'm now going to add the 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric to give the rice a nice golden color. And just give it a quick stir to ensure that the turmeric has dissolved. While the rice is cooking, I'm now going to prepare the vegetables. Now the 4 onions have been diced and the 1 pepper has been finely chopped. Now how I work the onions out is I put 1 onion in for each cup of rice and 1 extra for extra flavour. Now I've put the 2 cups of olive oil in the pot, and it has been on high heat for about 15 minutes on an electric hob. The oil is now ready to fry the 4 chopped onions, the 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and the 1 hot pepper. The onions have now been frying for about 10 minutes and I can see that they're cooked because they're starting to brown around the edges. I'm now going to remove it from the heat, and as well as that I'm going to remove the excess oil. Although this is fried rice, we don't want the rice swimming in oil. I'm now removing the excess oil from the pot and I'm pouring it into another pot. Be very careful because this is very hot. All I want, as I said, not the excess oil, I want the tasty flavours of the onions. And then I'll use a wooden spoon to see if I can even get some more oil out of this. The fried onions that I've just taken the oil out of have been placed back in the pot. I'm now going to add the 2 vegetable Knorr cubes, the 2 vegetable stock pots, and 2 cups of hot water. I'm now going to dissolve the cubes and the stock pots in the water. I'm now going to place into the mixture a heaped teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, 500 grams of frozen mixed vegetables, and 250 grams of sweet mixed peppers. I'm now going to put that onto high heat and bring it to the boil. The vegetables have now been cooking on the electric hob for about 25 minutes now, but if it had been a gas fire, it would have been a lot quicker. I'm now going to add the rice to this mixture, and also you know that the mixture is cooked because it has a creamy consistency. Just remember when you're putting the rice into the pot that the rice has to be cool. I placed the rice on the tray because the rice was hot, and this has helped it to cool. Because if you use hot rice, then your fried rice is going to be one hot mess. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the rice and the mixture. And I'm now going to stir this vigorously, like your life depends on it, until every grain of rice is covered in the mixture. And remember, it's on high heat. I've now been stirring this rice for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the next stage I'm going to show you is optional. I've taken a cup of frozen mixed vegetables and I've soaked it in hot water for about 2 minutes. I'm now going to add it to the rice and give it a quick stir for about half a minute. And what this does is it adds a pop of colour to the food. You can also, if you wish, again optional, add some blanched broccoli, blanched greens, just to add colour and a bit more nutrition to the fried rice. There you have it. Fried rice is ready. Enjoy you.